Hi friends, when you want to start a digital business, it is a great idea to have a digital asset, a digital property. If you are having basic computer knowledge, you can use ready to use scripts. You can have ready to use scripts to start a portal for providing services, and you don't need any programming or specific technical or the programming knowledge and all such things. In this video, we are going to explore a solution through which you can start a portal for providing a repairing solution or workshop management solution. So I'm going to show you the front end and back end, and there would be three parts of the back end of this solution. The admin area through which you are going to control the complete scenario, the complete solutions, and the technician area where the technicians are connected for providing the repairing solution, and further the workshop area where the workshop and the repair staff is going to connect. So it is going to be a complete solution if you want to start a complete portal for providing repairing solutions. Like for example, if we have this is our front end website. Like this is the interface where user and your portal visitors website visitors will interact. Let us assume the visitor wish to repair the OnePlus mobile. OnePlus mobile has multiple versions and the multiple uh, variants, and let us assume the visitor has selected OnePlus mobile, and he is or she is having a mobile OnePlus Nord CE5. So I am just showing you how it is easy for visitors. It is how it is easy to going to be easy for visitors. So and assuming the customer wish to have a battery replacement, and further the urgent is service is required. So by filling all these credentials and details, the visitor and your probable customer can book a repairing request, and further on the admin dashboard you are going to handle or you are going to get all these details, and you can further assign to technician or workshop as wherever required. So this is another layout, and you can have this as well. So I have two versions. Basically this one is the customized version for specific products. We can select brand, and you can definitely configure your products or the brands that you for which you are going to offer the repairing solutions. So it is simply called repair box, and the script that we are using is also called repair box. So I will take you to the admin area directly so that I can give you the familiarity, the basic idea what is available inside the system. So this is the admin area where you are going to connect everything, you are going to control everything. First of all, I'll show you the setting screen. However, on the dashboard, you have the complete idea what is going inside the system, what are the earnings, and what is the repair orders, brands and devices, all such things. So basic reports can be seen here on the dashboard. In the settings section, this is of course a basic configuration system. Basic configuration screen where you have to decide the most of basic things about your portal and services. First of all, if you are going to set the logo, it is going to be complete white label solution. You are going to own this solution. This is an open source script, and you can buy this script through the video description link. But yes, you can change everything. I am simply saying this. And if we come back to the settings, in the general settings, first of all, you have to buy a domain where you are going to offer this service. Domain is going to be your website. You can set the website URL, the number, and the basic information, HTTPS, and the repair orders and such things. So this is one-time setup, of course. Similarly, you can go for setting outgoing mails and the SMS configuration. You can configure SMS alerts, so the SMS service turned off, or you can keep it turned off, and you have multiple options. Tailor is very commonly used SMS integration solution for such solutions. So you can configure the automatic SMS, prompt SMS. Similarly, you can go for WhatsApp integration. You have this tailor account and tailor authorization token, and you can use the WhatsApp from. So it is really very important for interacting and pushing details of repair solution for which the customer is asking. Similarly, if you are working in a specific country where currency simple is to be set, so you can set it INR or whatever symbol for currency you want to set. You can have this. Okay, payment gateways is another very important part, because ultimately we are willing to earn from this solution. So we can have multiple payment gateway and we can configure basic payment gateways. Stripe is being widely used everywhere, so you can set up the Stripe. Even in India, Stripe works fine, so you can go for a Stripe, and you can even explore the other solution like cash on delivery options is also available. Braintree API configuration and the Stripe API configuration, you'll find all such things. Again, you have to check the supported currency. Stripe supports the INR transactions as well, so you can choose the Stripe. On the next, this is basically admin settings. This is one-time activity. Similarly, you can set the tax part and the SEO part. So what you want to keep the page title and the meta keywords and the meta descriptions and all. Appearance you can set here. So as I said, you can set the logo and the background of the screen. Authentication if you want. So user registration is disabled or enabled if you want to have only registered users so that they may make any request. So you can enable this, and you can set the default role as well. And I'll show you the captcha. This is the basically security key. Localization, again it is going to be helpful for promoting in your specific country. You can select the time zone and the language and the date locate and all such things. And you might be thinking how you can do all these things. So don't worry, we are here. If you decide to run this solution for you, we are going to configure everything on your domain and specific hosting. This is going to be under $100 solution. Don't worry. So you can start this business again in under $100. At DGCN, we are exploring only the solution that gives you a digital asset basically under $100, and you can start a business just by a very, very nominal expenditure. Okay, similarly, embed code. So embed code is a part where you can have the code if you are already having a website that is live and up, and you just want to use this repair service solution at any part of your website, like on a page, on a website area. You can have this solution simply by placing the iframe code on your existing website, and the service will start working, the system will start working. This is a very wonderful thing that you can directly use. Terms and condition you can update, and notification templates, again for SMS notification and all the WhatsApp notification, you can use such templates what you want to share with, and again with email as well. So this is the complete setting that you need to do at the very first instance. Now I'm taking you back to the dashboard, and we are going to explore the complete solution from here. So as I said, on the dashboard, you'll get the basic idea what is going inside the system. And next is the repair orders. So whatever repair orders you'll get from the front end of the website, you can see here, and you can further take actions for the repairing and the LCD replacement or whatever the requirement is generated here. So you can set the reminder, you can update the things and all such things. So you have to check the warranty, you can print the solution, you can set the initial diagnosis, and even you can choose the technician, who is the technician and all such. So data updated, you can assign to a created by technician and all such things. So you have to understand the complete workflow. I'm going to add a link where you can also study the document that is available with the solution. So don't worry. So you can explore all the things before you start. So this is the screen for checking the repair orders, and you can check all the things like add a standard. So say if you want to create a standard repair invoice, you can do this from this screen, or you can add manual repair. Or so if you want to generate a lead for repairing, you can generate from this. So this is very important. And again, you can set the brands that for which you are offering the repairing solutions or the technical or the rest of solutions. So you can set unlimited brand. There is no limitation. Repairable devices. Again, you can connect to a brand created at and the sort. So this is again a very important screen where you can connect the brand and route it through the name and the model and all the details, what exactly for a specific brand, what services you want to offer or such things. So import repairable defects. Okay, so this is again a thing that you need to set. So repairable defects is the thing that exactly the technicians are going to help for the customers. Again, the like battery replacement is a defect that can be helped from your end, and you can again map it from the specific brand. So it is totally configurable for brands. Once you have to create a parameter and you can assign to multiple device and all. Quick replies, like if you are getting any inquiry, what is would with the quick reply, so you can do from here. Repair statuses, you can check what is going for the repair and the body repair status details you can have. Repair priorities, you can set here like normal, there is no cost for normal, super urgent is additional cost and all. Custom pages that you can create at your website. So again, if you want to have certain pages at your website, you can create from here and you can edit the custom pages by clicking on this invoicing editor. FAQ, again, that is visible at your website, like this is FAQ section, and you can create FAQ from the admin area. Okay, so next is the report. So for generating reports, what is going, and again, you have a tracking ID like thing. You can have the tracking ID and you can use the barcode scanner, and you can also use this for printing options. So this is printable solution and you can have a printout as well. So this is filtered based, so you can select the priority, select the technician and the payment status and what is going. So this is a complete report. Further users, so you can set the users, basically technicians, from this screen, and you can create new users, how many users you want to create and what are the roles like admin, technician, and you can certainly create new roles as well, like user roles you can define here. So only 2 roles have been defined. Yeah, it is again configurable. You can use this screen for assigning new roles, creating new roles, and you can allow them the access area where you want to give them access to a specific user. Settings, I have already shown you. The backup is the solution where you can take backups, and the translation is for changing the language or selecting a specific language. So this is complete screen that you can have at the dashboard, and then at admin dashboard for this repair box solution. And the script that I'm discussing in this video is called repair box, as I said, repair booking, tracking and workshop management system, and it is amazingly available just for $40 through the video description link at codeconvene.net. You can buy the solution, you can buy the script, and you need additionally a hosting for hosting all such things. And if you need the complete solution, just write in the comment section, we will get in touch. You have to follow the video description links, we can get in touch and we are going to configure the complete system for you, and you can start your business under $100. So it is really very helpful. Okay, so now I'm going to take you on another screen, that is technician dashboard screen. So this is a very simple screen for technicians who are working for the repairing solutions. So, and this is separate login for technicians. As I said, you can create as many ads roles you want, and this is a technician login. So the technician offering the brands that is available here, and the repairable devices for technicians and the repairable defects. This is the screen where technician can get access, and you can again decide the rules and permissions what you want to offer the access. So it is very easy. And this is a similar screen for workshop area. This is basically technician as well, and track repair status. So the technicians and the workshop staff can track the repair orders, create custom repair invoice, and create a repair invoice and the repairable orders. So all can be seen here, and for the technician can update all these things, and the collection like urgent LCD replacement or set reminder or also things can be done through the technician or workshop screen. So I believe this is going to be a complete solution if you want to offer the workshop management or the booking tracking for repair services, and it is simply available for just for $40. There is no harm in checking all these ideas, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, because once you subscribe this channel, you are going to get multiple ideas how you can start a digital business. And don't limit yourself for a single solution. You can explore other videos, other solutions as well. I'm sure you'll find your desired one, and you can start a digital business by using this such ready to use scripts. So in the next video, I'm coming with more solutions through which you can start either a digital business or you can be a very smart worker at your workplace. So 2 solutions are available at Digician. Let us keep watching and keep creating wonderful things. Thank you.